What's up, guys? So it's been a couple days since I've actually gone out fishing. The last time I went out fishing, I went with my daughter just to get a nice little bass before she left for the summer. So I'm not going to be able to see her for the whole summer. But I got a call from my brother. He said he wants to try this spot by 1604 and 90, I think. It's the Medina River, but there's a bunch of little ponds around there, and I know there's a lot of private property, so we got to be careful where we end up. But waiting to see where he's at exactly, I think, because I told him to find some parking. Gonna see if he found some parking for us. Go find a spot to park, go out there and see if we can find my brother. But this is gonna be a new spot for me. Hopefully find something good, a new spot to try out, you know, a new spot to go to. But wish me luck, guys. And it's not a beer, it's a Pepsi, but cheers. Okay, first time here off the bat. The first impression isn't that great. There's a lot of trash. Let's see if we can find my brother. He's out here with his friends somewhere. Hopefully we don't find no dead bodies. So we're probably about 20 minutes at the spot. Current was very strong, and honestly we weren't getting any bites. I tried top water, tried a Texas rig. My brother was there for a good minute trying his Texas rig, and he also had a little catfish bait. Nothing even nibbled on the catfish bait. So we're gonna go back to Leon Creek. He wants his friend to catch a bass, so we're gonna go get him a bass. Look at those ugly sticks, they show up pretty. We got the red ugly, the pink ugly, the green ugly. I'm ugly. So I'm full geared up, waiting for my brother to pull up. He went to the gas station behind me. As soon as he pulls around, gets his gear, we'll go ahead and head back down to the old Leon Creek. The Never Fails Creek, as I call it. You're not getting bass here, you're not gonna get bass anywhere, so you might as well pack it up and go home. This is where I come anytime, you know, I'm not catching anything and I want to just catch something for the day. Leon Creek. So as soon as my brother pulls up, we're gonna go catch some nice little bass, aren't we? Biting?
Oh yeah, right there.
You know, I'm gonna push this on the other side of this. I've been tracking this little like half-a-pound bass that has a crankbait in its mouth. Like somebody had it and then the line broke. So if I get it, I get a free little hard plastic bait. Oh. Yeah, it's a 2 for 1 right there. Right here's where that one bass I told you was that has that crankbait in its mouth, so keep an eye out for anything white. There's like in between this little pond. Come on, vamonos. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. You know that we can do it. She'll be around there. Just bust a quick left. Scoot, scoot. So I just want to show kind of like a little bit of beauty over here in Leon Creek. Some ugly water, but you got some nice little scenery here. I'm about to cross. Nice little spot where the water just crosses. You got different elevations too. Like I'm still climbing up. Here's another little pond. Oh, did you get him? Get him! Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Get it for the channel. Get it for the channel.
25 pounder?
25 pounder my ass. That bitch is like a quarter pound.
Oh, Bubba. There you go, Adam. You can get this motherfucker.
You can get this motherfucker. You can act like you caught it. Ooh, I got banditos too, don't I? Give it a nice little yank. You should be able to yank it out. Shit, cast it that way.
Cast that shit.
Hell yeah.
Fucking
Right?
We got plenty of hooks and worms, bro.
Yeah, that's for sure.
There you go. A little further, a little further.
Still reel it in slow. But I let it sit there sometimes, you know what I mean? Because that's the way I catch the bass. Because sometimes they'll stare at it for a while before they pick it up and they're like, oh shit, some food.
Before they want to charge everything.
Yeah, because like I said, my daughter was just chilling and she was like,
she's like, fuck
and
this.
fucking next thing you know, her line was like under here and shit.
Like a week ago. They're out here. I don't know. They're probably going to start biting right now, right when I leave.
Have you ever been to the back?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to make sure you've been back there.
Man.
I want to make
just
sure.
don't feel like going back there right now.
Okay. Heard.
It's a bunch of work.
Shit, you gonna be out here? Well, I'm gonna fucking try to
I was
cast
just about to take off, man. I was just trying over here, but I don't know. He's about to get all dirty, and, you know.
Oh, good buddy.
All right, man.
Shit, it was nice to see you, bro.
Yeah,
for
man.
real, man. You be easy.
Super, come on.
Yeah. No, not yeah. I went 4 days. 4 days without fishing. 4 fucking days.
And then he goes and gets skunked.
And then I go yesterday and I get skunked. Fuck. The fish gods were not with me, dog. I don't know what the fuck happened. It's changing today. You know what though? We hit Leon Creek. And usually Leon Creek's the spot where I go when when I'm getting skunked. That's where I go not to get skunked. That's like my backup plan.
Have you decided where we're going right now?
Honey hole.
Honey hole?
I want to fish. And I saw that big ass fish Daniel pulled on Father's Day, Daniel. Where'd you leave him?
That was a big fucker.
I want him. Where'd you put him? It's under the tree, right? I know it's under the tree. Guess what? I'm gonna go get that motherfucker. It's my turn. I want a piece of big old Sandy. I'm gonna name her Big Sandy. I'm gonna go get Big Sandy right now. This guy's gonna help me.
Shit, I'll take Sandy's aunt. Like
Sandy's aunt, uncle.
You got a sister or
you got
something?
You got a little brother and a little nephew, a little cousin. Okay, so I was reaching for my crankbait, but as I was reaching for my crankbait, I've been trying a lot of things I've never fished before, you know what I mean? Like I've never caught a fish with. So as I was reaching for my crankbait, if I can get this thing unstuck from this other floater, I found this. My old whopper plopper. One, two, and goodness. Dude, shut up. I just had a whopper plopper hit. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on. I got it. I got it. Come on. Bro, that was a nice one. So, first time I've used my whopper plopper in a long time. I finally get a hit and I get it snagged. So now I have my mullet. I'm gonna see if this does anything. I've used this constantly. Last time I used it was at Browning Lake.
Hey, yo, come here.
Bitch, chill out, it's a fish.
Woo! Let's go, baby.
Where we go here? Is that it?
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Hey, dog, take a picture of me. Okay. Yeah.
Dude, I was using my whopper plopper. Something hit the fuck out of it, and then I got it snagged.
Hey, first catch of the day though. I saw that fucker too, and I threw another eye. He went for it first one. I'm gonna go back to the spot.
Oh yeah? So I'm getting a little frustrated. I just got another hit, this time off my spinnerbait. But the guy was so goddamn close to the bank, and there's no real way to get that guy with a spinnerbait close to the bank like that. Not in my position. So, changing out baits. Going to my bruised banana yellow trick worm with the Texas rig. Okay, so again, just to recap, past 2 days I came out, tried to get some fish, went to Leon Creek first, nothing. Then I came here yesterday. Was that it?
Yeah.
Nico broke his personal best, but me, nothing. Not only did I get nothing, I lost my whopper plopper in that tree, and I lost my swim bait mullet in that tree. So, pretty irritating day. Not only that, but I lost a couple Texas rigs. Yesterday was frustrating. So, today, I'm gonna try to break a different record again, do a different challenge, something I haven't done, which is my spinnerbait. I'm doing white. I know it's dark and murky, but I have gotten hits on this white before. If not, I'll probably end up putting my black and purple spinnerbait on. But for now, let's see if I can get anything on this, and hopefully I don't get skunked 3 days in a row, because that'd be pretty upsetting. Oh, Freddy pulled up. Say hi, Freddy. Hi, Freddy! I got my spinnerbait snagged. Looks like it's gonna be another day of snagging. I'm not with it. So, I'm going from trying new shit to just getting fish. I'm tired of it. I don't want to get skunked today. I got skunked 2 days in a row. I'm going to the Lizard.